Hi everyone. First, I thanks the Tanman Foundation for providing me the tasks. I have made here the steps to make easier. So let's, without wasting time, jump to my console. First, we create IAM roles. Then let's go to roles, create roles. Here we have to select Redshift customizable. Then next permission. Here uh, we have to select power user access. So right, power user access. So then next tag. Then just we are not adding tag. Next role name. Here I have created the role name, that is Redshift role. Now we have allows a Redshift cluster to all AWS services on your behalf, and the policy is power user access. Now creating the role. Our role is created here, a Redshift role. Now the next step is to create cluster. So creating cluster, just jump to Redshift. Here AWS Redshift, click on it. Just create cluster. Here cluster identification. I have this controls Redshift cluster. I am using here free trial. Here the database name is Dave and our port is 5439. Here the admin username, and I have also password. This is my password. And then cluster permission. Here I am choosing IAM roles, that is Redshift role, and associate IAM role. Then create cluster. This cluster is not now available. It takes some time. So in far time we create S3 bucket. S3. Just click on S3. Create bucket. The bucket name is file86 in North Virginia. You can uncheck it, or it without unchecking it's also okay. Yes, make the permissions are default. Then create bucket. Here our bucket is created. Let's upload some samples. Here I am uploading one sample. Our sample data is here. Let's upload it. Our sample data is uploaded. Let's go to Redshift. Cluster. A cluster is not available until yet, so wait. Let's go to IAM role. Then roles, and click on Redshift role. Then role, copy the ARN. This role ARN. I'm pasting here. Now let's look it's available or not. Now it's available. Now we have created our IAM roles and cluster. So now we have to go for inserting data in Redshift database. So for inserting data, go to editor, and connect to database. Here we have to provide the details, database name, database username, that is AWS user, then connect it. Now our database is connected. So after connecting, creating schema. For creating schema, we have to use this code. And we have to provide the ARN. Okay, then run it. Yeah, it's completed. Then we can find here S3 data schema. Now after creating a schema, we have to create table from which S3 can get the data. So let's copy it and paste here. Here I have provided the bucket name, S3 bucket name, and the table name is counter business index. So let's run it. Okay, the table is already here. So let's go for another one. Now fetching the data from S3 bucket. So paste here. Now the data will be fetched. Yeah, we get all the data here. In this way, the assignment provided to me to create database using S3 and Redshift is completed. Once again, thank you for providing me a chance. Thank you.